Tired of losing customers when products are out of stock or when prices change? With Knowband's product update notification module, customers can subscribe to stock and price alerts for their favorite products. It's fully customizable, works with any theme, and is GDPR compliant. Boost engagement, track demand, and drive more sales, all with just a few clicks. Hi guys. This video is for module understanding of product update notification, and so proceeding further with its testing. First is when user installed the module. Then module should be installed successfully without any issue, and configuration button should appear on the pop-up for the confirmation. Once user clicks on a configuration page, he should move to the general setting page, and by default, the module should be disabled. As you can see now, if we enable the module and save, the module should be enabled and should be available on a front-end site. Front end on a product page, as you can see a tab to update a mail and notification button. This is appearing from the product. If you disable the module, it should not be available on the product page. For every change we have to refresh the product on a front page on a front end, so the model do not appears when it is disabled. Now next is the GDPR delete request, customer data on the delete request. When the model is GDPR module installed, then customer can request the data to be deleted from the admin end. And if it is enabled, then admin will get the request and can delete the customer's data on the request. Next, we have a privacy policy to will. If we enable it, we will be having a field of text and the URL, which we want to display for in the form of update notification. So we have to fill the required details. Details would be filled on in all the language present on our store in case any of them is left. Then he should show the validation. Now all the details have been filled for the required respective fields, and we are saved. Now if you save, then the privacy policy should appear on the form on a product page. As you can see, when you will click on the read the terms of service, it will redirect to the page that you have linked. For the privacy policy that I have left updated the knowband.com, so it is redirecting me to here. In case you want, you can make the link of a documentation on which the terms and condition or the privacy policy will be mentioned. This is a checkbox of privacy policy. If we disable the token, then they should not appear on the form. As you can see, it disappeared now, so we have enabled now. Next, we have the background color of the form. If it changed to any color, then the changes should be reflect on a form on a front-end page. As you can see, the background color has changed. Next, we have the border color. If you have changed it to any other color and save, then it should be saved and changes should be displayed. As you can see, the border color. Now next, we have a price notification. Like if you want the update of a price when price goes down of any product that we are subscribed, so we can select it. The price drop here. If you want the price should update notification for price high. So we can set it to price app if you want, like any changes in the price. If happens on our subscribed product, then we should be your customer, should be notified, then we can select it the both. Now there is a text color, we can change the text color of the form. If we have changed, then the notification changes will be afflicted on up form, tilt. Next we have the custom CSS. If you have entered any CSS, then the CSS will be appeared on the page wherever the module is present. So we have added some custom CSS and JS save. Refresh the page. This is a JS alert that we have added custom JS, and the custom CSS is also working on our page, as you can see. Next, we can also check like these fields are mandatory, so we should not get saved. Blank valuation should be the field, cannot be empty. And please check for all the language. Also, if you have disabled it, then the field will not appear, so we can kept it enabled for it as if you want the privacy policy to be displayed. Next, these colors. This color box should not be saved as a blank, since it is a mandatory, so it should show the validation. Also, we cannot fill any random. It should be the hex code of the color. The validation should be there. The color is not valid. It should validate the color code. Next, we have the notification email setting. Here, user can select the language whichever is present on our store, and he can add, make the changes. On the content of the email, subject and email content. This mail will goes to the customer when he will subscribe for any product. So I have made changes in English language and save. So whenever this mail will be received by the customer, these changes should reflect on it. Next, we have images notification email setting. When any changes has been done, the update should be goes to the customer, and the changes, if any, made in the content of email would be shown to the customer on the received mail. So I have made the changes, and let's see if we are getting the email with the modified content. This is the Analysis tab. It will show the detail, whatever product has been subscribed by any customer and how many updates has been gone. So let's proceed with the configuration on front end. We have completed the configuration on the check how it is working on the product page. We have entered the mail and click on a Notify Me button. It loads and should give the success message. Now user must have received an email that he had subscribed the product. As you can see, I have made a change in the subject line of the mail and we have received it. This is a complete mail. Next, the changes in a product that we have modified. Now we'll make the price changes. We'll click so this is a product. Now user has to set the cron since the surround is not set yet, so we can run it manually. We'll hit the cron and the mail will be received for the customer. It will when you run the cron on that page, you will get a message that how many mails has been sent. As you can see, the changes made in the modification email content has been shown in the page. Also, the price changes is show as you can see here. Yes, so we have subscribing a product. Let's suppose we have subscribed this product. We have subscribed a product which is having $0.30 price subscribe. Now we'll make the changes in the price with the both ups and downs. We have made the change and now we can see the product price on a front end, which is moved to 0.20. Now we will run the cron and we should have the same update on our mail. We have received one mail, con has been done successfully. We have received two mail, first one that we have subscribed for this product with the 2.030. Next, we have a mail in which we have a rated price of 2.0.2. Now let's increase the price and refresh the page to see the changes in a price on a front end. Now we are having 77.44. So we will run the corner and see if we are having an update. Cron has been run. One mail has been received to refresh the mail, and we have found a mail then which 7.44 updated price has been received to the customer. There is a click here button on which clicking click here, which is the further changes done on this product, will not be notified to the customer. So if we have unsubscribed it and again will make any change in the price and say, see the change on a front. Now if you run the cron, we should not receive any email. As you can see, 0 email has been sent and no email has been received at my end. This is how the product update notification module works.